in central Texas until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hamilton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Meridian State Park around 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian around 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Springs, Whiteway, Ailman, Norse, and Ferry. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Johnson County in north central Texas, northeastern Hill County in central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carl's Corner, or 11 miles northeast of Hillsboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Italy around 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rieger Springs, Ike, Lovelace, Toledo, Milford, Mertens, Avalon, Brandon, Griffith, and Rocket. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 411. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The thunderstorm watch number 303, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ellis County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waxahachie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waxahachie, Red Oak, and Oak Leaf around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lancaster and Ferris around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wilmer around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Seagoville and Combine around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rieger Springs, Crisp, Ike, 5 Points, Bristol, Trumbull, Pecan Hill, Boise, Sand Branch, and Rocket. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, Cottonwood County in north central 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Combine or near Seagull, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for 50 miles per hour in north central Texas, Northland County, and north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Outdoors will be injured. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Combine or near Seagull, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard severe thunderstorm size here in 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Combine around 5 source radar indicated. Around 5:05 p.m. Outdoors will be injured. Around 5 p.m. damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Siding. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Heartland, Gloucester, and Combine around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Foley around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carroll around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. New Carroll City Lake around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mile markers. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Heartland, Wynn, Gloucester, Orr, Norfolk Bend City, Lawrence, Upper Grove, Elmo, Stewart, and Overstay. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 486 and 511, Interstate 30 between mile markers 71 and 78. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe, damaging winds and large. County in north central Texas, north central Hill County in central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grandview or Dorado, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Midlothian, Venus, and Mayfield around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waxahachie around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ennis and Palmer around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rieger Springs, Ike, Griffith, San Fled, Rocket, Preston, Howard, 5 Points, Garrett, and Trumbull. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 10 and 29. Interstate 35E between mile markers 388 and 411. Interstate 45 between mile markers 249 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 10 and 29. Interstate 35E between mile markers 388. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Parker County in north central Texas, Hood County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lipan or 15 miles northwest of Granbury, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard ping-pong ball-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Western Lake around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Brock Junction, Stockton Bend, Dennis, Anetta South, Toller, Lake Cranberry, Acton, Bennett, Waples, and Tintop. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 390 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pecan Plantation, or near Cranberry, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pecan Plantation around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lambrino,